Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to install an SSD into your computer. That will make it really fast. So I have this SSD which I have received just today, and I'm going to install it into my computer. So I will remove my HDD and I will install this new SSD. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, make sure you remove all the connections. Then remove the side panel. You might have some screws here, but in my case I don't have. So I will just pull it out. And the next step is to locate where you have your HDD. So here in this case, I have my hard disk here. Hard disk has two connections. So one is a power supply and one is the data cable. So we have to remove both of these. So simply pull them out. And there you go. Okay, so now the next step is I haven't installed my SSD. So put the same connections back. So we have the power supply connection which goes here, and the data cable will go here. There you go. Okay, so we have installed it, but there's another option. If you want, you can still keep your old hard disk and have the SSD as well. So your window will be installed on the SSD, and you can use your HDD as a storage space. So even that is possible. So if you need to do that, so you need another power supply, another data cable. If you have one, that's good. If you don't have one, then you can use the data cable. For example, we can use the data cable which is going to the CD-ROM. I don't use the CD-ROM, so I can use that one. And for the power supply, we have a one spare power supply here. We can go here. Okay, so it's all done. So now we have the SSD and we have HDD both installed. But for this video, I'm not going to use the HDD, so I'm going to remove the HDD because I don't want anymore. I just want the SSD. So what I will do, I will remove this HDD and will just use the SSD. For the SSD, there are some holders available. You can use the holders, and you can fix them here so they do not move. Okay, and then I put the flap back on. Okay, I have installed the SSD, and now the next step is to install the Windows, and I'm going to install the Windows 10. To install the Windows 10, I'm going to install it from the USB, and I will show in a separate video how to install from the USB. Thank you guys very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.